Good evening, friends. Welcome to the weekly wrap for 1st of July in my channel Nifty Se Aage. Friends, what did the Nifty do last week? Last week, friends, Nifty moved in a small range of 15,760 to 15,790. Barely a move of 30 points in the last week. Though there were many ups and downs during the week. Now, friends, at present, most of the market participants, retailers, have become excessively bullish, and everyone is talking about new highs, new upside, all these things only. And on the other hand, friends, we have to realize that world markets, almost every market, is near lifetime high. We are also very near to the lifetime high. So, friends, it's also a time to be very cautious because inflation is creating problems. Fed has given a hawkish view. Oil is rising. For us, it can also become a negative factor, as well as rupee is becoming weaker. While it may support the IT sector, it may bring the overall market down suddenly at any point of time. So, friends, for the coming week, the range in which I think Nifty should move is below 15,900. 15,860 is a big resistance. Even if it crosses by 10-15 points, it will again come down. And on the downside, I am seeing 15,450 as a very strong support. But friends, remember one thing, the large players are heavily placed on the call side, which means they have written more calls than they have written puts, and the retailer sides has written lot of puts at every level from 15,800 to 15,500 and below. So there may be a day in this week, I don't know whether it will be Monday itself, when the put side selling of retailers might be cleaned up once again by the large players. Also, friends, it gives me a big doubt because lot of in the money puts have been purchased by large players, because seeing the number of contracts, it seems it can only be the work of large institutions only. That gives me a doubt that the market may suddenly show a downside when everybody is euphoric about the bullish side. So, friends, for the coming week, please be cautious about the downside because upside is limited in this week. 15,900 may be hard to achieve during this week, but certainly 15,450 level may be tested, and if it breaks, we can see further lows during this week. So, friends, it's time to be cautious also because COVID cases, though they are coming down in the second wave, but now there is a talk of third wave, and some states have already announced new lockdown rules. So, friends, the economy of the country is continuously suffering because of so many lockdowns, and the rating agencies have been continuously downgrading the GDP growth as well as the economic situation of the country till 2023, which, friends, today is not being encashed by the big players to bring the market down, but suddenly on any day they may take the help of this news or any other news to bring the market down. Also, the fact that all the world markets are trending near lifetime high, including ours. This is also a time to be very, very cautious because we might be very upbeat about Nifty going to 16,000 and 16,500, but the rude reality may suddenly strike us if Nifty goes below 15,500. And friends, those of you who have not seen the vertical falls earlier in the market should be very well aware that in 2-3 days the whole complexion of the market changes from green to red and the sentiment suddenly becomes super bearish from super bullish. So you need to be very cautious right now, and for the coming week I see the range remaining within 15,900 on the upside and downside support around 15,450 if not broken. Friends, if any of you wants to learn good strategies which are hedged properly, will require less margins, will give you consistent profits on a weekly basis for all your life, then you can join my paid group. You can join by contacting me on WhatsApp number 90739 Though it's a paid group, friends, you will be able to learn a lot of strategies and earn all your life every week. The charges are also very nominal, friends, so it will not be a pinch on your pocket, but certainly the kind of learning and earning you will do every week, you will feel the fee is worth giving. So friends, if you are interested, you can contact me on WhatsApp number 90739 So the coming week, the range, again I am repeating, is within 15,900 and 15,500. The lowest point to which it can go is around 15,450. The downward pressure is slightly more than the upward pressure, which means the Nifty may slowly and painfully move 20-30 points and then suddenly fall 100 points. This is how it is going to be in this week ending on July 1st. Have a great weekend and I hope you have a profitable next week. Thank you, friends.